All right, today I'm going to be taking you through the endocrine system. This is a system of hormones. So the endocrine system is made up of various glands that are found all throughout the body, and their job is to release hormones. And hormones are going to perform different functions throughout our body to help us to maintain homeostasis. So you can see a lot of different hormones in a lot of different places, or sorry, a lot of different glands in a lot of different places around the body. And they will each release different kinds of hormones to do certain jobs. So hormones are chemical messengers, and the body is going to use them for communication purposes. They will travel in the blood until they get to specific target cells. They'll know that those target cells are the right ones because they'll have receptor proteins on them that they can bind to. And once they bind, they will make the cell perform certain functions. The effects of hormones oftentimes can take hours or even days to occur, depending on the type of hormone we're talking about. So this is just a picture showing you what I'm talking about. So a secreting cell would be inside of a gland. The green dot is the hormone. So the hormone would get released into the bloodstream and it would travel somewhere else in the body until it finds a target cell and it would bind to the receptor. And then it would tell that cell to do a particular function. So we're going to take a look at one example. This is glucagon. This is a hormone that is released by your pancreas when your blood glucose levels are low. That would typically happen if you hadn't eaten in a while. A lot of times, first thing in the morning, we might be using glucagon to get us some glucose until we're able to eat. What glucagon does is target the liver. So it will get released from the pancreas and then it will travel through the blood over to the liver, where it will tell the liver to release stored glucose, and that will get our blood glucose levels back up. This hormone, like most other hormones, works by negative feedback. And what that means is that once they are done with their job, that hormones will be removed from the blood because we don't want them doing their work anymore if they have already gotten you back to homeostasis. The other thing about most hormones is that they work in pairs. And this is to keep your homeostatic set point stable. So you'll have one hormone that will have an opposite effect of another hormone. So if we're thinking about glucagon, we know glucagon raises blood sugar. Its partner is insulin, and insulin lowers blood sugar. So this picture shows you what I'm talking about. So here would be our normal blood glucose levels in this capillary. And after you eat, your blood glucose levels would go up. The pancreas would release insulin, which would tell the liver or cells to take in that glucose, and your blood glucose levels will go back to normal. When that happens, insulin would go away. Usually it would get broken down by the body. And then the opposite, if your blood glucose levels drop because you're exercising, you haven't eaten, the pancreas will release that glucagon, tell the liver to release glucose, get your glucose levels back up to normal. And again, once you're back to normal, the glucagon is no longer going to be released. It'll be removed from the blood, and you are back in homeostasis.